everyone. My name is Kumar, and first of all, I want to thank the CIMAGE for organizing this workshop, wonderful workshop, Power BI workshop, and also I want to thank our coordinator, Sir Anil Sir, and also our Praveen Sir. That all of us try to make our knowledge and career a little bit more brighter by using Power BI. First of all, I want to all of us summarize that what we have learned in last 2 or 3 days. So we will just directly move to our dashboard that what I have created. So let's move to the dashboard directly. That I have created a dashboard for Hindustan Premier League. In this I have used the KPIs. Here you can see the total teams, total players and total lists. These are called the KPIs. Then I have used slicer. This country, as you can see, this dialog box is called as slicer. By using the slicer you can just filter out this data. If I will click here, just you can see, if I click here Australia, then the all data you can see here will be from the Australia country also. Then we move the charts. I have created dashboard this by using this chart and count of player by teams. Here I have used the drill through feature of Power BI. By using this feature, you can just move from one page to another dashboard. You can see that if here there are many teams who are playing, like Mumbai Indians. I want to see that in Mumbai Indians, how many players are from Australia country, how many are all-rounder and how many players. Then we can see from by you can see here by using this feature, drill through, and there are many more features. Thank you.